It's Wicked Wednesday. Um, what kind of wickedness is going on here, you're thinking? Well, so this customer called me. She was hearing noises in the back of her clothes dryer. She called me saying she's got a squirrel in the back of her clothes dryer area, and she wants to know if I can come get it. So I showed up, and as you can see here, I'm starting to investigate and take things apart. I took a look at the outside, and based on where the vent was located and what was going on, I was actually already thinking probably not squirrel, it's probably a bird. But let's find out. Here we go. Well, there you have it. It was a bird again this time. So what happened is that bird, or there's two birds. I pulled out one live bird and one dead bird out from behind the dryer, or inside the dryer. And what happened was they came in the dryer vent on the outside of the house where the hot air comes out, worked the whole way through the vent system, and got into the inside of the dryer. That one was actually a little more difficult than usual. If you've seen in the video, I had to flip the dryer a couple times to kind of resituate the bird that way I could physically get it out. Yeah. So if you remember a few weeks back, there was a Wicked Wednesday post about making sure you have vent guards or bird guards over top of your vents on the outside of your house. And this situation is a prime example of why I recommend that, because this is what can happen. All it takes is something as simple as having one of these devices installed over top one of your vents on the outside. Some of the new vent cover systems, or vent hoods today, they have some kind of guard system already engineered into the device itself, which, I mean, sometimes they're a little brittle or weak depending on what what brand or what model it is, but it's better than nothing. Basically, just to keep birds and other wildlife from getting out or getting in there. So yeah, I encourage you, go walk outside your house or your building, and if you see your vents looking like any of these ones here that I'm showing you right now, where some of them have like a little flap that opens, some of them have like a couple little louvers that pop open. They might be up in the soffit area, they might be on the side of the house, they might be down by the foundation. So yeah, if you walk outside, look for any of those. If they don't have something like this over top of them, you very well could be having a bird or something else get in your vent at one time or another. It might go into your clothes dryer, it might go in your vent system, and you hear it in your attic or your ceiling, or you hear it in your bathroom exhaust vent fan area. They're common places where it happens. So yeah. Well, that's it. So have a nice week.